What's going on, everybody? So I made a video a couple days ago explaining how basically I was using 3 different softwares to run my credit repair business and how I've narrowed it down to one. Well, one thing that I did not mention is we're actually going back to the manual method. And what the manual method is basically each client, their letters are being done from start to finish by just manually typing these up. Now what that means is they are 0 templated letters that we're using now. And I'm gonna put a picture up here. We are now putting the screenshots of the credit report in every single letter, because what we want to do is we don't just want to throw a law on there, or we don't want to just quote something factual that's wrong or inaccurate with the account. We want to actually show them, so we highlight any inaccuracies in the account as well. So it takes a lot longer to do these letters, but they're way more effective. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.